Good afternoon, gentlemen. Hope the sessions are pretty interesting for you. We have few more, and I request you all to take in as much as possible. Myself, Siddharth Anbuselvan, Honorary Treasurer, IIF Chennai Chapter. I would like to introduce Mr. C. Prem Anand, Managing Director, VWin Finishing Equipment Private Limited, to our audience. It is an honor to introduce Dr. C. Prem Anand, a distinguished Chennai-based industrialist, entrepreneur, and a business mentor with over 30 years of hands-on experience in the manufacturing sector. Dr. Anand's career is a testament to growth and leadership, beginning as a sales and service engineer and rising to senior regional manager at Indabrator Limited before embarking on his entrepreneurial journey. Since founding WeWin Enterprises in 2003, he has successfully built and scaled multiple ventures spanning surface finishing technology, industry automation, and his latest venture in EV mobility. His influence extends deep into the industrial ecosystem of South India through several key leadership roles. State Secretary of Lagu Udyog Bharati, an All India MSME organization, President-elect 2026 to 2027 for the Rotary Club of Anna Nagar Aditya, Coordinator for the Kakalur Industrial Estate Manufacturers Association, KIMA. An academic high achiever, Dr. Anand holds a BE in Mechanical Engineering from Coimbatore Institute of Technology and a Master of Marketing Management from Annamalai University. In 2017, he was awarded an honorary doctorate for excellence in entrepreneurship from the International Tamil University, USA. Beyond his business success, he is sought after mentor who provides strategic counsel to founders and MSMEs on market entry, operational strategy, and enterprise transformations. Please join me in welcoming Dr. C. Prem Anand.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. This is Prem Anand from WeWin Finishing Equipments, and maybe it's the right time for you to wake up or something, because I'm in the industry for the problems, always, because all the industries and aluminum die casting or any casting people know, up to 25th of every month, they'll be so happy to produce it. Whereas after 25th to 30th, the people have to dispatch the material, for which people wanted to have a short blasting machine. So I am into the field of supplying short blasting machine for the past 30 years. So these are all the challenges always you people will be seeing in our aluminum die casting due to the poor blastings, blackening of the component, staining, and some of the shots or anything will be embedded on the component, and roughness. This is what always you will be having a problem on end of the month before dispatch. So we will be giving you a proper solution for it. That means we need to have a proper surface preparation. See, the topic was given as a tradition and innovation. This is a small key points I want to tell you, and it is not a big elaborated subject of short blasting, which everybody knows that. But whenever you need to go for any short blasting requirement, at least you people have to understand what you want from the supplier, what is the procedure is required, for which only this small inputs to you. Always you can see this, what is the application you are looking for. In always short blasting there will be three applications. One is surface preparation, surface cleaning and finishing, and third one is short peening. Surface preparation is nothing but before coating or painting we are preparing the component, that is called surface preparation. And when you are going for surface finishing, this is what exactly required for our aluminum die casting. Because after blasting, we will be putting into the component the machining or any other things, for which we need to prepare the casting properly. So you need to ask the people that I wanted to have the machine for surface finishing and cleaning. And third one is a short peening, which may not be right now is required in aluminum die castings. For any other, the cyclic stresses are there where we need to go for short peening. That is another process. These three are there for always short peening, short blastings. Now I have told you what is application is required. Second is what is your requirement. Whenever you are asking any short blasting manufacturer, sir, I am having this casting, I want of the two. One is surface profile, another one is degree of cleanliness. Please, I am requesting everybody to give the information to the people so that they will be giving a right machinery to you and right shots can be recommended. Surface profiles always will be with the microns. RA value or RZ value, what is a micron you require on the component, that you need to specify. Based on that, the machinery can be manufactured by the people. Second, it's a finish, it's a visual finish. You want to have a roughness or you want the less roughness, everything. So, Prem, I need to have a blasting machine which is to blast our engine blocks, which is required this much of micron roughness, and it should have this much of cleanliness. Always you need to mention the two things. So, what is the application is required, what is the requirement is required. This two is always deliverable for any of the equipment manufacturers. This I wanted to highlight to you. Just we are going for the basis, fundamentals. Surface preparation will be a two, mechanical and chemical. And all the people, you know that after aluminum die casting, people will go for chromatizing, anodizing, everything. That will become a chemical process. We will go for the mechanical process, which is abrasive blasting. I will focus on the mechanical blasting right now. You can see how many mechanical blastings are available. Water jet blasting, ice blasting, laser blasting. Now we need to start from 1880 to 2026, the travel of shot blasting. It has started from abrasive blasting. So many managing directors right now they are telling about sand blasting, sand blasting, sand blasting. Please prohibited the word called sand blasting. It is abrasive blasting. Sand is most prohibited process in the world. So it's abrasive blasting. Now we have gone with other advantages. Just for the pictorial view, I am giving you information about abrasive blasting. It's like a compressed air blasting, which you people know that always in your mind and college days you will be knowing about this sand blasting, sand blasting. That's just abrasive is mixed with abrasive air pressure and it will be blasted, for which you can use sand, steel grids, glass bit, anything you can use it, through which you will get the proper surface preparations. Then it is going for the wheel blasting. The compressed air blasting is called as air blasting. Wheel blasting called as automated blasting. Maximum of our aluminum die casting, people will be having a automated shot blasting, which is a wheel type shot blasting machine. You can see there will be a turbine which will be propelling the shots which at different speed. We will be cleaning it for that. Now you can see this small two slides will understand even CEO level or the lower level. People can understand about the machine, shot blasting machine, where we are finding. If you can make a 20 marks for each, it will become 100%. Whenever you are traveling into your shop, if you fail to see that anything is not working, that means your system is not working properly. Now this 5 systems I will coordinate with our human body. Next slide. I think now you can understand easily. This is not weave-in shot blasting. Any shot blasting in the world, you can understand this is what. Always you can see body. Each and every maintenance people, when there is a problem in the machine, they will be doing all the patch-up work. That is called body and handling. And each and every maintenance people understand about the wheel unit maintenance. Lungs is a separation system. Kidney is the dust collector. Abrasive is the blood. You know one thing, when we are not knowing about how the kidney is working or not, when we are having a chest pain, immediately we will attend. That's how all the company, they will replace the blade, impeller, control cage immediately. When we are having a scratches in our hand, immediately we will put a band-aid. We will maintain it. Whereas nobody knows when the kidney is working or not. That's how maximum machine failure is taking place in the kidney dust collection system. This always will be outside the plant and nobody will be seeing that, how it is working, whether it is sucking properly or not. Why? Because we are not running the machine, no. It will be given to the subcontractor. This is where the failure will be taking place. So just, it's a small idea, you can correlate. If you are not using a proper abrasive, definitely there will be a failure in your product. If you are using a grid, it will be affecting the surface roughness. If you are using any other abrasive, even the cleaning will never be there. So blood of the machine is abrasive. Go and check back in your machine whether which size of abrasive you are using for the which product. What is the surface roughness is asked by the people. which is it we are using it like. So these are all the abrasives which you may be knowing it about. I am just covering about this simple. You can see this is a natural product, sand, garnet and zirconium. Byproduct for copper slag and agriculture media, because maximum aluminum die castings people will go for copper slag and agriculture. Manufacture will be steel short, steel grid cut wires. Now you can see why factors to be considered: the size, shape, density, hardness, friability. Tell your quality people whenever they are purchasing the abrasives, at least they are checking it, because this is a consumable. Now we are all telling about the less margin, EBITDA, everything right. Where are we spending money? You check this, consumables you can control. This is the next generation, may not be workable for our aluminum die casting. For your knowledge, I am telling you. For oil and gas industry, this water jet blasting is being taken place. So this ice blasting, for the very big mold cleaning purpose, people are using it. So the ice pellet, small ice will become a proper balls. We will be using for the cleaning. Here the advantage is what happened, the surface will never get affected. Even the roughness will never get affected. Only the clean area will be taken out. So that is what the ice blastings. Now this is very latest for our laser blasting. This you can have like a CNC machines like. We don't require any abrasives, we don't require anything, we can clean it as it is. Now people are willing to go for laser blasting for so many other purposes. We are very cleanly looking for the mold cleaning purpose. The rubber mold cleaning or injection mold cleaning, after certain size of things, the mold will get blackening. To remove it, when we are using the abrasive sand, it will get damaged, for which the laser is getting used. So this is the latest version. So people are going for industrial 4. Now in a tradition, the same things are. Short blasting is compressed air with abrasive, it is one blasting. Abrasive with the turbine will be another blasting. This is the same. Where are we come up? This is what, whether in your machine it is there or not. In a photograph you can see this is a mesh type conveyor short blasting machine. Recently more than 12 machines have been sold by me for all aluminum industry. I am proudly say the company's name like Craftsman Automation, Rockman, Sundaram Fasteners, everywhere. It is giving a fastest production. Here the manpower will never be there. Even you can load, unload the component with our things. See, that's what I am telling you. These are all the things can be incorporated for industrial 4.0. When the short blasting machine rate is 20 lakhs, please spend another 5 lakhs for this automation, which will give you the best life. That is a development. Now I have told you this development is for up to 2026. The recently Hitachi Energy, they got a machine in Bangalore, that is a company where unmanned shop floor, unmanned. Robo will do everything. Blasting, painting, curing, everything will be taken place. It is only because of this kind of latest technology involved in the control panels. Now people will be having a very clear on short blasting machines. Wheel unit is there, okay sir. Separation is there, okay sir. But how much speed it is running? Whether the balls are going hitting the right part, whether this BFD is required, this particular velocity is required, this much of flow rate is required. So these are all the things to be monitored. That is the next level of our technology. High productivity and better surface consistency, everything you can take it. Now robotic short blasting machines. One of the latest, one purchase order when I have received, the CEO has just crossed me and he was saying, Prem, how are you? Yes madam, I am giving you some offer. Prem, if any automation is not in your machine, don't come and meet me. This is the word topmost company managing director is telling. Everybody knows short blasting, but whether the short blasting will be having automation, whether it will give us a message. Now we are proudly say that in JSW Salem we supplied a machine for 70 meters per minute. The rod will blast and go. This is a machine we supplied. We struggled for 2 years. Now the machine has been controlled in our factory. My boys will say, sir, the impeller change poirukku, control gauge poidichu, screw conveyor jam avapodhu. Everything is controlled in our factory. It is only because IoT systems. That's what I am requesting you people. Blasting machine anybody can give, no problem, because it's a 100 years old technology. The man who can give you a machine where you need to control in your mobile apps to say, yeah, this machine has run for 300 blasting hours, 3000 blasting hours. Now this is a time to replace blade, impeller, control gauge. Now this is the time we need to replace the dust collector. You know, aluminum powder is the most dangerous fuel for bomb. If you are not maintaining our dust collector properly, what will happen? You will get blasted. Those informations will come to our mobile. That is the next technology. So these are all the abrasives. Not only steel shots, we can go with the ceramic abrasives also. See, abrasive recycling systems and separation system which I have given to you. Now everywhere, when the people are asking for 3-wheel units, we need to have a variable frequency drive. Dust collection blower, we need to have a variable frequency drive. All usage, the wall thickness of the casting will differ. Based on that, we need to make the wheel unit into a different speed. Everything to be incorporated. Eco-friendly dust collection systems also required. So now it has come, and we are going to give as a wet collector for shot blasting. That recently we are checking it, we will tell you. So this is a different model of machines. Recently we got success with aluminum die casting, this mesh conveyor shot blasting machine, and I think you know everybody is a spinner angle shot blasting machines. You can go for the conveyorized monorail where it is continuous blasting will be taking place, and indexing machines and tumble blast machines. Usually in our industry in Chennai, tumble blast and spinner angles are more available. Now people are asking for mesh conveyor shot blasting machines. One of the company 17,000 two-wheeler wheel, alloy wheel, 17,000 number wheel per day production we have given a machine. It was a big challenge for us. Within 3 to 4 months it has been organized, supplied, repeat orders of 6. Why I am telling you now, the manpower is an issue for us. Now the robots are available in China very cheaper way. Pick and place robo, finish. You just keep this machine, you keep the component which will get blasted, it will come out, finish. And anyhow, Sakti has told that the inspection mechanism available, you can inspect it and send it. It is all available, technologies are available, we need to think how to go ahead like. So just we are telling about the V-Win. V-Win will have only 2. We are into surface preparation and finishing, air blasting and wheel blasting, painting and powder coating. This is our proficiency. So these are all the machines which we have given. That is air type shot blasting machine for the windmill industry, and this is a spinner angle shot blasting machine for our aluminum die castings. After aluminum die castings, you can have a powder coating plants, which also it is our projects. So why we win? So this is our credibility. 23 years we have done 500 projects, small and big, and we are proudly say that we are the one and only company in India, in South India, sorry, for blasting to a finishing. Nobody is there. And 2 decades, 10 corporates, name it, of all big companies, they will be having our machines. And past 10 years, we do about other 30 corporates with us, and renowned in name in our valve industries and aluminum industry. And aluminum industries, name it of all, Sundaram Clayton, Rockman, or anybody, they will have our machines. And we are having good after sales service and best ROI on our machines. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. If any question on anything, you please call me, I can answer to you.
Thank you, sir. Any questions, gentlemen? If you have any questions, please raise your hand. We can send you the mic. All right, I think it's...
Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. We now request Mr. Bakul M. Shah, Past Honorary Secretary, IIF Chennai Chapter, to felicitate Prem Anand, sir, with a traditional Angavastram and a specially curated gift.